You don't need a massive team, a groundbreaking idea, or even a warehouse full of products to start an online business. With AI, you can build something that fits your life perfectly, and you can do it entirely on your own. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make money using AI tools while keeping it simple, sustainable, and tailored to you. Stick around until the end because I'll break down not just how to start, but how to scale in a way that works for your unique goals. Most people focus on the wrong things when they start a business. They try to pick a niche or figure out what's popular instead of stopping to ask themselves one key question: what do I want my life to look like? Instead of trying to mold your life around some business idea, think about how you can build a business that fits around your life. What does your ideal day look like? Imagine waking up each day and working on tasks you actually enjoy. Would you be creating content, writing, or maybe brainstorming creative ideas? Once you have an idea of what you'd love to do every day, you can start using AI to map out how to turn that into a business. Here's a simple way to start figuring it out. Write down the things you love doing and what excites you. Then use a tool like ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. You could ask something like, "Help me design my perfect workday based on tasks I enjoy, like writing and creating videos." The AI can suggest activities that match your interests and give you a clearer sense of direction. Don't skip this step. This is the foundation for creating something that doesn't just make you money, but feels good to work on every single day. Once you have a general sense of what excites you, it's time to ask some deeper questions. What do you love so much that you'd still enjoy it even if money wasn't part of the equation? What are your strengths? Maybe you're naturally good at explaining things, or you've got a knack for storytelling, or you're creative and love designing visuals. You can even ask an AI to analyze your skills and suggest business models that align with them. For example, you might ask, "Based on my skills in graphic design and content writing, what types of businesses would work well for me?" This takes the guesswork out of figuring out your strengths and opens up ideas you might not have thought about before. And here's the key thing to remember. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. You can learn and improve along the way. Now, let's talk about how AI can make your life easier once you have a basic idea of what you want to do. AI tools can simplify so many tasks that might feel overwhelming when you're just starting out. If you're planning to create content, AI can help you write scripts, edit videos, and even generate thumbnails. Tools like Jasper AI can help you generate blog posts, social media captions, or YouTube scripts in minutes. If you're into design, Canva's AI features can help you create professional-looking graphics without needing advanced skills. The trick is to figure out what your daily tasks will look like, and then ask yourself, how can AI make this faster or easier for me? Once you've nailed down a business idea, the next step is figuring out how to make it profitable. There are two straightforward ways to monetize almost any passion: selling digital products or affiliate marketing. Selling digital products means creating something like templates, ebooks, or online courses that people can download and use. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend products or tools that solve a problem for others, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Let's break down affiliate marketing a bit more. Say you're into video production, and you've found some tools that make your work easier, like editing software or high-quality lighting equipment. You can create content, like YouTube videos, blog posts, or even TikToks, showing how you use these tools and why they're helpful. When people click on your affiliate link and buy the product, you earn a percentage of the sale. The best part is that you don't have to handle customer service, shipping, or inventory. And here's something to think about. What would an extra $100 a day mean for your life? That's $3,000 a month, just from recommending tools you already use and love. Now, let's talk about how to actually build your business from the ground up. There are 3 core steps: creating content, building an audience, and offering something valuable. I can help with all 3. For content creation, tools like ChatGPT can help you write blogs or video scripts in a fraction of the time it would take manually. For building an audience, email marketing platforms like Kit can use AI to segment your audience and send personalized messages, increasing engagement. And for creating offers, AI tools like Gemini can analyze what's trending and suggest what might resonate most with your audience. You can sign up to affiliate programs like Amazon Associates and ClickBank to find products to promote. But if you're interested in creating your own digital products, AI tools can make it easier than ever. For example, you could use AI like ChatGPT to write an ebook, design a course curriculum, or even create marketing materials. The point is that AI allows you to focus on the parts of the business you enjoy while automating or simplifying the rest. It's easy to get overwhelmed by all the options out there, but the key is to keep things simple and start small. Don't try to copy what others are doing just because it looks successful. Focus on what makes sense for you and take small steps every day. Celebrate those small wins, whether it's getting your first affiliate sale or launching your first piece of content. Over time, these small efforts compound into something much bigger. As you build your business, it's also worth investing time in learning new skills that can make you even more profitable. Skills like copywriting, email marketing, content creation, and video editing are incredibly valuable, and the best part is that you can learn them for free or at a low cost online. The trick is to actually apply what you learn. Don't just watch tutorials or read blogs, put those lessons into action. And remember, AI tools can help you polish your work, whether it's improving a script or editing a video. Finally, let's talk about using AI for automation. This is where things get really exciting. AI tools can handle so many of the repetitive or time-consuming tasks in your business. For example, Descript can transcribe and edit videos automatically, while tools like Opus Clip can create social media snippets from longer videos. If you're managing social media, tools like Buffer or Hootsuite can automate posting. Many of these tools even offer free trials, so you can try them out without spending a dime. The bottom line is this: making money online isn't reserved for tech geniuses or people with huge followings. By focusing on what you love, using AI to streamline your work, and starting small, you can build a business that aligns with your life. It's not about chasing quick wins or following trends. It's about creating something that feels right for you and grows over time. So take the first step today, whether it's brainstorming with AI, testing out tools, or simply writing down what your perfect day looks like. You might be surprised how quickly things start to fall into place. What kind of business are you thinking of starting, and how will you use AI to run and grow it? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.